Much like using a step counter to track your activity if you're trying to get in shape or lose weight, figuring out what triggers you to want to smoke, such as having a cup of coffee, driving, or dealing with stress, is an important part of your quit plan. Identifying your triggers and the situation or the environment surrounding each cigarette you smoke can help you choose a tobacco-free way to deal with them. On this segment of ETC Thursdays, we'll share tips and tricks to help you find ways to break the connections between smoking and your everyday triggers. When it comes to smoking indoors, please be mindful that there is no safe level of secondhand or third-hand smoke exposure for you and your family. Smoke can stay in the air for several hours after somebody smokes. Tobacco residue can remain on surfaces and dust for months after someone smokes a cigarette. In some situations, third-hand smoke can even remain on fabric for a year and a half after last exposure to cigarette smoke. Opening a window, sitting in a separate area, or using ventilation, air conditioning, or a fan cannot eliminate secondhand smoke exposure. If you cannot quit smoking, it is important to maintain a smoke-free environment in areas where children live or play. Removing ashtrays from common areas and replacing them with snacks or something fun to keep your hands and fingers engaged can discourage smoking and provide a welcome distraction from cravings. Consider moving cigarettes somewhere harder to access to encourage smoking less. Try not to smoke inside the house, even when it's cold outside. Smoking indoors one time is enough to contaminate the rest of the house, even if you're in a room with the doors closed. Create a comfortable place to smoke outdoors for both yourself and any visitors who smoke. Keeping an umbrella near the door will help encourage you to go outside to smoke even when the weather is bad. Remove the smell of cigarettes from your life. Make things clean and fresh at work, in your car, and at home. Carpets and rugs are like sponges when it comes to odors. Invest in having them professionally cleaned or visit your local Home Depot or Lowe's to rent a carpet cleaner. Wash your clothes and anything that smells like smoke, including gloves, hats, and shoes. If you have a coat that you always wore on smoke breaks, consider getting it dry cleaned. You will be less tempted to light up if you don't smell smoke. If you're used to keeping your cigarettes close to your bed, like on a nightstand, move them to a new location. If you usually smoke when you wake up, try keeping a bottle of water beside your bed to start your day instead. Switching up a routine can be one of the simplest first steps toward disrupting a daily smoking habit. Clear your workspace of anything that reminds you of smoking. Remove ashtrays from the room and go through drawers and toss out any lighters or empty packs of cigarettes you might find. Keep stuff around you that can help you reduce stress due to withdrawal and the demands of day-to-day work and life. Try building a quick kit with items that work best for you, like snacks, fidget toys, or visual reminders that motivate you to keep on track to quitting. Keep healthy snacks within reach. Have substitutes handy that you can munch or chew on, such as crackers, carrots, apples, celery, raisins, or sugar-free gum or hard candy. Shine up your car's interior and shampoo floor mats, seats, upholstery, and even the ceiling to remove the smell of cigarettes. Add your favorite air freshener as well to discourage smoking. Wash your windows, especially in the corners where smoke residue may have collected. Check seat backs and go through your glove box and center console to hunt down any lighters or stray cigarettes. Fill your car's ashtray with spare change so you aren't tempted to fill it with ash. Store your cigarettes in the trunk or another hard-to-reach area while you drive, or soak leftover tobacco products underwater so you can't use them. Just as switching up your routine at home can help you work towards quitting, changing it outside the house can help as well. Do you shop and refuel at the same places? Are there visual cues that encourage you to buy tobacco products? Try refueling at a different stop or try taking a new route to and from home. If it makes sense for you and your needs, consider shopping at places that don't sell tobacco, like CVS, Target, Trader Joe's, or Super Dollar. If you're used to taking a smoke break with your coworkers or pairing a cigarette with a few drinks on the Friday night, quitting can mean missing out on some of these social outings. Still, it's important to steer clear of any potential triggers in the beginning, including your friends when they light up. You may need to remove yourself from any activities when they'll be smoking. But that doesn't mean that you have to put your social life on hold, and you don't have to lose your smoking friends when you quit. Doing things with friends and staying socially active is a great way to keep your mind off the urge to smoke. If you start restricting your social life because you'll be afraid you'll feel the urge to smoke, it might make those social situations more intimidating in the future. Try organizing new activities or hobbies with your friends. Even better, try picking a venue that doesn't allow smoking. Or consider hosting your own social events. This can be a great way to control the situation and avoid many of the triggers that often lead to cravings. If you're still finding it difficult to be around your smoking friends, virtual hangouts over Zoom, Google Hangouts, or FaceTime can help make your quit journey a little bit easier. You can also reach out to those who will support you as you quit through texts or calls during moments of doubts for encouragement. That's it for today's segment. Tune in next time as we discuss quitting for good with nicotine replacement therapy. For more information, resources, and support to help you start your quit journey, contact our tobacco cessation team at 313-832-3300, extension 108.